Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the ISSATALK podcast. You can find it on all your favorite podcast streaming websites or here on YouTube or even on Facebook. Okay guys, so straight get to ang vlog karon no. Hey guys, it's Issaplease and welcome back to the vlog. If you just came from the last video, thanks for coming straight to this one. So it's 12 o'clock. I just woke up. It's a Saturday. There's really not much going on for me today. Moadtoon ta mi kasal, but then we thought about everything. We made the pros and cons, and honestly, it just wasn't good for us to be going out to social events because I'm already feeling feeling like I have a sore throat, but that could be because ikaon kog daghan tamis gabi. I have grandparents. My mom is about to fly back to the States where she will be quarantined. But the moment my mom goes back to the States, I'm first in line to take care of my grandparents. So it's really just not a good idea for me to be out. So it's me and my sister that take care of my grandparents while my mom and my aunt are in the States. Since I'm not going out, I've decided to continue cleaning my room because if kita mo from the previous video, I was able to do that. So now I'm gonna clean my room, our house, everything from top to bottom, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I have to wash the dishes first, and yes, let me just show you. Okay, so here are our dishes. Let me turn on the light. Uy naman day ang J ko nga donuts. Diri abi nang gidanin ni mommy dito. Donuts there, donuts there, donuts everywhere. It's probably why I have a sore throat. But we're gonna wash all these dishes, and I'm going to refill this. And refill na lang sa ni. Sure. Yeah, I don't know how this happened, but we ended up with this, and we just buy this, and we refill it. I've just finished dusting and vacuuming the entire room, and then I'm just returning everything. Later on, I am going to wipe down all the surfaces with this. So this is actually a mix of Lysol and water. So it's 1 cup of that Lysol disinfectant and like 9 parts water. And it's just a really good way for me to feel clean, you know? So, muna siya guys, ako sa ni pang balik ang mga butang. So, naging yun sa kabuk plastic bag of mga trapo na mo in case ako na siyang ibutang sa gawas. There. And then, nalagit mi mga, naghanlagit kay kog sinina niya na naglabay-labay everywhere. Because, lagi magdali-dali. Always changing. There. Ako pa man gamiton. So, that goes on the couch. Do you guys have that couch? It's a table or a couch or a chair. In my case, it's a table. It's an entire couch where all your clothes go, or the things that you don't really know. Where they should go. So actually guys, I'm wearing what I wore yesterday. Ako plano mag-ilis pa. Kay ganahan ko nga, like, iguman na lang anitanan ko maligo. After like really sweating. So yeah, I'm just gonna trapo everything. So this is my vanity. Tanong mo good guys, buka ko ang foundation. Like, wag purpose nga, daghan kay kog makeup. Ina ko, let me know if you guys want like a giveaway because I'm willing to give away some of my makeup. And just this. Mag-girls na mo gipalit. You got this at the dollar store, but nindot siya because you can like fix it. But actually, wako kibawat sa gamit ani sa life. So ako lang sa niyo siyang ipuson dire. My new backpack that I love. Gamit kay siya. Let's put it on this couch, and then this is my laptop bag. I put that here at the side. My other bag. Oh no. Okay guys, let me show you. Let me show you what is on this couch. So, I don't know if Paulo wore this. So, these are my clothes. Dili niya akong shorts. Pero gihatag sa laundryhan ako. So, I don't know what to do with that. A t-shirt that I will just fold. Ay, kagubot sa ko life. And then, kaning apart kay actually this is for by Hannah. Kani. These are like weird beauty products that I was gonna do for Pay Maya, but then tanadayon ato. So now I just have this. I honestly don't know what to do with it. Maybe I'll try it out for another video. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. And then ako sa pang balik tanan. Nigubot balik ang balay. Shut.
A few moments later.
It's nice to know that we have that. Have gel there. I said I wasn't gonna leave the house. I'm really go. What's up? Picking up a t-shirt. But we're out. So it's my sister-in-law's birthday and we're on our way to visit her, and we made her, or actually Paulo bought her a care package. So wala po, senorita, ang sardinas. She didn't buy for us.
No, can't buy a lot.
You can't buy a lot of sardinas?
Oh well, it's not very cheap.
Of sardinas. Oh. So there's tissue paper, there's senorita, there's alcohol, and there's soap. So this is our birthday gift for our sister.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god. So we are parking here. Nagibilin ko ni Paulo. There ko sa parking lot because I didn't want to go down because I don't want to really talk to anyone right now. And then nabutang tagiya sa parking lot. So I had to drive the freaking pickup. I've never driven a pickup before, and today was the day that I drove a pickup, and I did it. Run over anyone, but now I have to move the car. What do? I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll just like park it inside like this. Oh my god, guys, I'm driving the pickup. I've never driven the pickup before because Paulo says that I can't, because I might have a hard time because I'm a tiny girl. But let's just try it today. First time gid ako drive, guys. Og pick up. Ah! Oh my god. I did it! I did not think that this day would happen, but I actually had to move the car. Pala! Sweetheart, did you see? I moved and I parked it on my own!
Congratulations!
Are you proud of me?
No.
I parked it properly, no? And I got it on the vlog, too. Oh. I did it! Yay, that means I can drive the pickup now.
You didn't even turn on the light.
But I knew how to turn off the hazard.
Oh yeah. This would wrong pick up lihok, pero at least.
But
I thought imo rin siya gigawas.
No! I was parked there for a while, and then I was like, let's see if I can park it. And then I parked it.
Timing ano?
Lagi, I was like, oh my god, of all the parking slots, kadi pag yun, they're hazard, they're like, oh, mo parking, like, oh my god, and you want it? They're like, yeah, I'm like, I'm so sorry. And then I was like, it's okay, we'll wait for you to move. So like, ni move ko, and then I was like, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. And then I did it.
Oh.
I'm a big girl! I'm so happy. Where do you wanna go? I can take you there. Ako drive pa dong uli.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I have been in the car for over 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, rakay tugnaman. But we are currently parked outside of one of our internet cafes, and Paulo is having a meeting with all the staff. There are currently talks of a lockdown. I'm reading the news, and it is making me very worried na mahadlok ba gyud ka magbasa niya. Sometimes akong feeling is, am I supposed to be scared because of what I like? Mahadlok ka ba kay you're reading one thing and then you're reading people's opinions, and it's just so loud, and imbes na unta ikaw, you're just sitting here, you're just trying to do what you can do. you start to overthink and start wondering if you're doing enough, and it really is worrisome. I don't, I mean, for the most part for me is I just want to make sure that me and my husband and Cody are safe. My family is also safe where they are right now. I advise them to stay at my lola's house because our place is so small. Like, it is a condo na may maghuot dito, and I think it's just better if they're all there. And yeah, so we're just preparing. Like, Paulo's side of the family, we all have our respective houses, so we're just like, we all miss each other. It's my sister-in-law's birthday, but we didn't even see her. So, murag, it really is makadepress, yeah, makalonely, but you know, I think we just really need to do this, and eventually it'll all just be okay, and we'll be better, and we'll see. I'm finally home! I just finished vacuuming this room, and then amo na siyang tsapuhan down with the Zonrox. So, I guess this is like a mini house tour. This is our bathroom. I think tomorrow na lang ako limpyuhan. And this is the current state of the room. I mean, it's getting there. Padong na siya malimpyo. Gamay na lang. And then, I am dreading the sala and the kitchen. If you guys want like a legit house tour, ingna ko, because I'll do house tours. It's like limpyo na magyup ko. And there is my haba baba who is currently cooking dinner. Say hi to everyone, love.
Hello.
Your fans. What do you call your fans, sweetheart? The Papawsters. Papawsters. The Roberto de Papao. I'm so witty. Okay, guys, so I guess that's the vlog. Oh, wait. Say hi to my fishies. Not mine, but Paulo's fishies. And then here are my shrimpies. And they're already eating dinner. So, I have so many things nga pa din ako i-vlog, guys. If you want to see more of these vlogs, you know, I'm going to be home a lot because I am on lockdown right now. I don't want to go out for the next 2 weeks. So, if you want more vlogs like this, make sure to leave it in the comment section below and tell me what kind of videos you want to see and I will make them for you. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alive na ko. Actually, guys, luya jud ko during the mornings, but mas nahapon naging magabiim. Alive ra jud ko. So, muna karon na ako energy. So, yes, let me know if you want to see more and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Follow me on my socials. I'm Issaplease. Bye. Wash your hands. Sweetheart. Look at how clean our room is!